In these days of the rapid increase in the incidence of cancer, why is colon cancer more common than small intestine cancer? According to the cancer registration statistics, the rate of colorectal cancer is 27 times higher than that of small intestine cancer, with 54 people out of every 100,000 suffering from the former, and only 2 from the latter. Digestive disorders we typically refer to as intestine-related disease, constipation, diarrhea, mostly occur in the colon, not in the small intestine. Observing the intestinal flora distribution can explain how critical role of colon in human health functions. While there are between 100,000 and 100 million CFU of microbes per gram in the small intestine, there are between 100 billion and 1 trillion CFU per gram in the colon. It is colon health that is the key to our intestinal health. Lactic acid bacteria, a representative probiotic, are effective mostly in the small intestine. From the small intestine to the colon, it becomes increasingly difficult to find lactic acid bacteria due to the anaerobic of the colon. On the other hand, butyricacidbacteria, a strictly anaerobic strain, is not only one of the probiotics, but also is active even in the anaerobic colon. Butyricacidbacteria is able to by itself create spore, the natural protective capsules, which allows to protect itself from stomach acid, bile acid, and even digestive enzymes, and then reaches colon alive, safely, and then germinated, grows and activated as a probiotics. By consisting of 4 layers: cortex, membrane, coat, and exosporium, the spore has robust self-protection capabilities. The stability of K-butyric acid bacteria can be confirmed through a simple experiments. In an acidic environment, K-butyricacidbacteria boasts a high survival rate of up to 80%, while lactic acid bacteria struggles to survive. So, what is the primary energy source for colon cells? It is butyric acid. Colonic cells rely on short-chain fatty acids for 70% of their energy, with butyric acid being the primary source. Unlike most human organs that use glucose in the bloodstream for energy, colon cells uniquely utilize short-chain fatty acids. These short-chain fatty acids are derived from intestinal microbial fermentation of dietary fiber. However, the reality is that while modern people consume carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in excess, their intake of dietary fiber, which facilitates the production of butyric acid, is markedly insufficient. Lack of butyric acid, the main energy source, can weaken colon cells, leading to a decline in colon function. The probiotic that produces this vital energy source for colon cells is the butyric acid bacteria. As one of the short-chain fatty acids produced by butyric acid bacteria, butyric acid is produced by the fermentation of edible plant fibers in the colon. Butyric acid serves as an energy source in the colon, providing numerous health benefits. Firstly, butyric acid supplies energy to the epithelial cells of the colon, aids in the restoration of the intestinal mucosal layer, and enhances the functionality of the intestinal barrier. Secondly, butyric acid assists in reducing colon inflammation. According to recent studies, butyric acid has been demonstrated to lower the levels of inflammatory cytokines within the colon, and suppress inflammatory responses, thus promoting colon health. Moreover, it's known to stimulate the secretion of GLP-1, inducing a feeling of fullness which aids in weight management, and it's also reported to suppress the rise of blood sugar levels. The ability of butyric acid bacteria, as a probiotic, to promote colon health, is principally due to the beneficial effects of the butyric acid they produce. We have succeeded in producing these beneficial butyric acid bacteria and butyric acid in large scale and commercializing them by our own technologies. In order to care the health of gut, often called the body's second brain, it is essential to prioritize colon health. For colon health care, always remember the name, K-butyric acid bacteria, and butyric acid